Okay, let's unpack this. We're looking at a step-by-step guide for applying for a Serbian work e-visa, specifically from India.
hmm
So our mission today, basically, is to understand the key stages here. We want to sort of map out this journey.
Right, and it's quite a structured journey. The source lays out 7 distinct steps, and it's important, like you said, this is for work, legal employment, and residence, not just a visit.
Exactly. So step one, the absolute starting point, securing a job offer.
Can't stress that enough. No job offer means, well, you can't even start the visa application.
It really shows Serbia's focus, doesn't it? They want people who already have confirmed employment waiting for them.
Precisely. It's about bringing in skills and filling roles that are already identified. A very common immigration principle, really.
Okay, so once you have that offer, step two involves getting online.
Yep, you head to the official Welcome to Serbia e-services portal. The address is eforeigner.welcometoserbia.gov.rss.
And you can't just browse around. You need to actually create an account there.
That's right. An account specifically for foreign citizens. It's your digital key to the whole process.
Makes sense. A central hub. Then step three, completing the actual visa application.
And this is specifically for the Type D visa.
Type D meaning long-term stay.
Right.
Right. For work, study, that kind of thing.
Exactly. Not your standard short-stay tourist visa. You select the application for D visa option on the portal.
And this form, it's pretty detailed, I gather.
Oh, yes. You need accurate personal details, travel info, and then you have to upload quite a few documents.
Okay, let's list some crucial ones. A valid passport, obviously.
And crucially, it needs at least 90 days validity after you plan to leave Serbia, so well beyond your intended stay initially.
Good point. Then a specific photo size, 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters.
The job contract itself, or an official offer letter, proof of where you'll live in Serbia.
Accommodation, right?
And
health insurance.
yes, and it must be valid in Serbia. Your regular travel insurance might not cut it for this.
Okay, proof you have enough money.
Sufficient financial means, yes. And finally, a police clearance certificate to show you're, in good standing.
Quite a checklist. Okay, step four is paying the fees.
Relatively straightforward. It's about 30 euros for the visa itself, plus an extra 2 for the visa sticker.
And that's payable online with a card.
Correct. Credit or debit card via the portal. Good to know those costs up front.
Definitely helps with planning. Now, step five shifts from digital to physical. The interview.
Right. After submitting everything online, you need to schedule and attend an interview.
Where does that happen?
At the Embassy of Serbia in New Delhi, or the Consulate General in Mumbai.
And you need to bring your original documents to this.
Exactly. It's the verification stage.
Yeah.
They'll likely take your biometric data, then 2 fingerprints, photo.
Okay, so online application, then in-person verification.
Yeah.
Step six, the wait.
Visa processing time. The guide suggests around 4 weeks, typically.
4 weeks. So
Yeah.
not instant. Requires some patience.
Definitely. They'll notify you by email or through the portal when a decision is made.
Okay, let's fast forward.
Yeah.
You get approved. Step seven, travel to Serbia. But you're not quite done yet, are you?
Not at all. This is critical. Once you arrive in Serbia, you have 30 days
30 days to do what?
to apply for a temporary residence permit. You do this locally at the police station or the Ministry of Interior.
So the D visa gets you into the country legally.
But the temporary residence permit is what allows you to actually stay long-term and work legally. It's essential.
That distinction is really important. Visa for entry, permit for residence, and work.
Precisely.
So looking back at this whole process, it's quite a defined path. You need the job first, then the digital application, specific documents, the in-person interview, the wait, and then the post-arrival registration.
It's a multi-layered system. Each step builds on the previous one, creating a filter, really.
It ensures people coming have a job, have their paperwork in order, are verified in person, and then properly register upon arrival. It's quite thorough.
It is, and it leads to an interesting point for anyone considering this. Well, when you look at all these stages, the job hunt, the document gathering, the interview, the final permit application, which part feels like the biggest hurdle, or maybe the most critical point where things need to go smoothly?
That's a good question. Is it securing that initial job, which unlocks everything else? Or maybe navigating the bureaucracy of the permit after you've already moved?
It probably varies for different people, but thinking about potential bottlenecks is useful. It's definitely a journey requiring careful planning and follow-through, something to mull over.